Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start exercise 5.3. 5.2 is just over in previous class. Now, some important points which will be used in exercise 5.3 are here AP will be represented by A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and last term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. The sum of the n term of an AP is denoted by S. Therefore, S is equal to A first term, then A plus D second term, then A plus 2D third term, and dash dash dash, and A plus n minus 1 into D is the last term. This is the equation number 1. Now write the terms in reverse order. These terms which are written here, it will be written in the reverse order. So S is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is this one, and previous term of this one will be A plus n minus 2 into D, and third last will be A plus 2D, and second last A plus D, and the last one will be A. Now this is equation number 2. Add equation 1 and 2. When equation 1 and 2 will be added, then 2s will be there. 1s is this, 1s is this, then 2s will be there, then 2s will be equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into D plus 2a plus n minus 1 into D, and again 2a plus n minus 1 into D till n times. Ab how this come to a plus n minus 1 into D? Here I have done the rough work. First term of the first equation is A, and the first term of the second equation is A plus n minus 1 into D. When these two will be added, then A plus n minus 1 into D will be equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into D. When second term of the first equation will be added to the second term of the second equation, so a plus d is the second term of the first equation, and a plus n minus 2 into d is the equation second term of the second equation. When these two will be added, again we will get 2a plus d, open the bracket, and d minus 2d, add like term, then it will be 2a plus and d minus d, then 2a and d is taken common, then n minus 1 into d. That is why it is written here. So it will come whenever you will add third term, then also it will come the same. N time it is going to come same. So 2sn is equal to, when these numbers, these terms are coming same, so we can multiply this by n. Then 2a plus n minus 1 into d is multiplied by n time. Means this term is going to come n time. Then when it will be multiplied by n time. So 2s will be equal to n 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This 2 will come in the denominator, then it will be 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or it can be written a plus n minus 1 into d. Means this 2a is broken. So a plus n minus 1 into d. As you know, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is done in the 5.2 exercise. So here we can write, in place of this where I have underlined, we can write n by s is equal to n by 2 a plus an, or an is also known as last term. So this is the derivation of the formula which is going to use in this exercise. And another important point is an is equal to sn minus 1. Let n is equal to 1. N is any term. N is equal to 1, then wherever n is there we will put 4. So because I have taken 4 here, then a4 is equal to s4 minus s4 minus 1. So a4 is equal to s4 minus s3. Similarly, we can say a5 is equal to s5 minus s4. a6 is equal to s6 minus s5. Or Sn is equal to n plus 1 in the bracket upon 2. Let n is equal to 10, then 10 plus 1 upon 2. Then if we will take out the sum of the 10 term, and of any AP, then it will be 110 upon 2, which is equal to 55. Now the question number 1 of exercise 5.3. Here AP is given 2, 7, 12 and the term is 10. Here A is given 2, D is equal to 5 will come, 7 minus 2 will be 5, and N is equal to 10 is come. N is equal to 10 is given. We have to find out the sum. So sum formula which is derived just now, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then S10 will be equal to 10 by 2 2 into 2, a is 2, 10 minus 1 and d is 5. Now after solving it will come 5, 10 cancel by 2 5, then 4 plus 45, 5 into 49 is equal to 245. This is the answer or sum of the 10 term of this AP. And in the fourth part of it, here it is given in fraction, then 1 upon 15 comma 1 upon 12 comma 1 upon 10, and we have to find out the sum of 11 term. A is equal to 1 by 15, D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, which will, and n is equal to 11 is given, and when we will calculate D, the LCM of 12 and 15 will be 60. Then 5 minus 4 will be equal to 1 by 60. Then S11 will be taken out. Then S11 is equal to 11 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 11 by 2, 2 and a is 1 by 15 given. Then 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60 is d, which is calculated here. So after solving it will come 11 by 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60, and taking LCM of it, then it will be here 8 will be there, here it will be 10. So 10 plus 8 will be added, then it will be 18 by 16 and equal 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. After cancelling it will come 33 by 90. Or it can be further solved, 11 by 30 will come. Now here part number second and third I have not done, that you will solve it yourself. And in the question number 2, here again you have to find out the sum, but the question is given in another way. A 7 plus 10 by 2 plus 14 dash dash plus 84, means we don't know where 84 lies. We have to take out the n also here. This is the difference in this question and the previous question. Now here a is equal to 7, d is equal to 10 by 2. After changing into fraction it will be 21 by 2, and d and 21 by 2 minus 7, and taking LCM of it, it will come 7 by 2. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 84 plus 7 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7 by 2, and after solving it will come n is equal to 23 has come. Now we know n, now we have to take out the sum of it. Then sum of Sn is equal to n by 2. A plus L can be also used, because here we are knowing the last term also, and n also and a also. So S23 is equal to 23 by 2. 7 is a and L is the last term, which is 84. By adding these two it will come 91. Then 23 by 2 into 91 equal to 2093 divided by 2, which is equal to 1046.5. Now part number 3 of question number 2. Here AP is given -5 plus -8 plus -11, and the last term is given -230. So here A will be -5 and D will be -8 minus -5. Then this sign will change, then D will come -3. Then AN is equal to -230. We have to find out N. Then AN formula will be used. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. -230, A is -5 plus N minus 1 and D is -3. Then -230, this -5 will come to this side, then 230 plus 5 -3n minus 3n plus n, then minus 228n is equal to minus 3n, then n will be equal to 220 by 3 equal to 76. Now we have to find out Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. 76 by 2, a is minus 5 plus L is minus 230, then 76 cancel by 2, 38 will come, and here it will come minus 235. After multiplying it will come minus 8930. Now I have done here part second and third. I have left third I have done, first and third I have done, and second is left, that you will do yourself. And these are the simple question, and only in the formula you have to put the value to get the answer. I hope you will be able to do this. Thank you.